Know your own mind to supersize and grow your business. I made this little graphic and then I forgot to use it. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom for supersize your business today is to know your own mind. Now, we are focusing on the area of confidence, the life framework area of confidence this month for our BU 365-day challenge. So to coincide with that, I'm picking an idiom that is related somehow, some way, some shape, some form to confidence. And today's is know your own mind. We need to know our own mind. We're talking about core values, confidence core values for the challenge. And today, this idiom to me fits pretty well with it. If we don't know our own mind, if we don't know what we want, if we're not certain about what we want, how on earth can we create an organization that will help us to achieve what we want, much less lead other people in helping us to supersize and grow that organization? This is an idiom or an expression that was first recorded in 1824. It's been around a long time, and so most of us have heard it. However, what I found really interesting throughout my life and career is if I ask people the question, what do you want? Especially with respect to what do you want from your business. They know they want to make a lot of money, but they might not have a specific goal. They know they want to build a business in a certain area, but they don't really know who they want to serve, how they want to build that business, and all the key things that are really, really important if you want to grow and build and supersize your business through the various stages of building a business. And some people want to grow medium-sized business. Some people want to do an IPO. Some people just want to have a small business in their local community that provides for their family and allows them to do the things that they want to do to make the world a better place on a local level. Some people want to build a business on a global level. So in order for us to set the direction, set the tone, set the guidelines, have the foundational vision, mission, principles, purpose, guidelines for our organizations, we have to first know what we want. Now, over the years, I've studied and learned literally hundreds of different problem-solving, decision-making processes, strategies, systems, tools, and of all of them, depending on the situation, different tools are better for different situations. The more complicated the situation, usually the more complicated the decision-making tool or process I will personally use to come up with the thing I'm going to act on first. And guess what? A lot of times the thing we act on first, or I have acted on first, isn't actually the overall best be-all and end-all decision and choice. I've learned that life is a process. Building our businesses is certainly a process. And just because we try something and it doesn't give us the end results we want, doesn't mean we throw in the towel. We just try something else, do something else, implement or use another tool, or pick another option, go down a different road. So of all the decision-making tools and all of the complicated things that are available, over the years, I have found that my best final check and decision-making tool is to ask myself a question about how does doing this make me actually feel? If I feel good or neutral about it, I'll probably implement it and take action on it. If I feel at all negative or leery, or my intuition, I check with my head, my heart, and my intuition. And if any of those are off, and I didn't always do this, which has led to many mistakes, which is why now I do this, if any of those are off, if I get a bad feeling in any of those areas, I will pause and hold off, and I will dig deeper, find more information before I actually go down that road or make that decision. I've learned that that's important about people that I do business with, people that I'm in relationships with, whether it's in business or not. How does it make me feel? If I'm in a relationship that in any way, shape, or form makes me feel bad more than it makes me feel good, bye. Not in that relationship anymore. And that applies to any area and aspect of my life these days. So I would love to know, do you know your own mind? Do you know exactly the long-term place that you want to take your business? Do you know who you serve, how you serve them? And that's going to change over time, right? Who I served early on in my career and the businesses that I created are very, very different than who I serve and the businesses that I create now. Why? Because I've changed and what I want changes, and that's natural. But in any given business or situation, we need to know what we want in order to figure out how we're going to get there. All right, that's our idiom for today. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for the month of August. Have a great day.